Good morning class first. Class is your English literature and today let's start our new chapter, chapter 14th. Chapter's name is Sundari. What is the chapter's name? Sundari. So class, this chapter name is Sundari. Okay, it's a story about a beautiful pretty kite. Okay, this story is about a kite. Okay, so let's start the story. Okay, from here the story started. Sundari was a big red, white and blue kite. Okay. Who was Sundari? Sundari was a kite. Okay. And how was she? She was big. Okay. And red, white, blue kite. Okay. Here you can see in this picture, it was a kite and there are three colors in this kite. Red, white and blue. Okay. And it was a big kite. Okay. So, when Bobby made her, she smiled at him. Okay. Who made this? Bobby made this. Okay. Bobby is a girl and she was very happy when she made this. Okay. You also like kite or not? You also like na? So just like yours, Bobby also like it. Okay. She also made a kite whose name is Sundari. Okay. You are beautiful and I will call you Sundari, he said. Okay. So what the Bobby said? He said, you are very beautiful. Okay. And that's why I will call you Sundari. Okay. You are a beautiful kite and then I will call you Sundari. Okay. The kite name is Sundari. One day Bobby took Sundari to the fair. Okay. One day what happened? Bobby, this boy took Sundari to the fair. What is fair? Fair at a place where you can see different type of stalls, different type of swings, balloons, eating items. Okay. So one day Bobby took Sundari to the fair. Okay. The band was playing and everyone was smiling. Okay. In the fair, what was happening? The band was playing and everyone was smiling. Okay. In the fair, there was a band, music band. Okay. There was a music band which was playing and everyone was enjoying. They were smiling. Okay. They were very happy. A merry-go-round was playing happy little tune. Okay. In the fair, there was also a swing. Which swing was there? Merry-go-round. Okay. You also enjoyed this now? It's a swing. Okay. Which go round and round. Okay. Sometimes up, sometimes down. Okay. So that merry-go-round also playing a happy little tune. Okay. A soft little tune or music. Okay. It was carrying lots of boys and girls round and round on its wooden animals. Okay. There was a merry-go-round. Okay. And on that swing, on that merry-go-round, there were also many types of animals, wooden animals. Okay. On which there were many boys and girls, small boys and girls were sitting over it. Okay. And they all were enjoying. They were going round and round, sometimes up, sometimes down. Okay. So everyone was very happy and they all were enjoying. Bobby looked for an open space where he could run and fly his kite. Sundari looked too. Okay. So here in the fair, Bobby and his kite were very happy. Okay. Bobby wants to fly his kite. Okay. And he was looking an open area where he can fly his kite freely. Okay. Easily. And Sundari was also waiting for this. Okay. After then what happened? Out in the grass ran Bobby, holding up his kite as high as he could. Okay. So after then what happened? He comes to the open area. Okay. He took his kite and then ran. Okay. For flying the kite, he ran. Okay. And then he wanted to fly his kite in the high level. Okay. He wanted to fly his kite as high as he could. Okay. Then puff, the wind came along. Okay. After then what happened? There was a wind. Okay. And that's why Sundari started to fly up, but she could not go very high. Okay. In the first chance, Sundari tried to fly up, but she could not go very high. Okay. It was only a middle level. After then what happened? A little dog was holding on to her long tail. Okay. Why Sundari could not go up at the high level? Because Sundari's tail was holding by a little dog. Here you can see in this picture, this little dog was holding Sundari's tail. Okay, here you can see there was a very beautiful tail of this kite, of this Sundari. Okay, so there was a dog who was holding its tail. Okay, and after then what happened? It was in his mouth. Okay, where was the tail? The tail was inside the mouth. Okay, the dog was holding it with its mouth. Bobby shooed the dog away. Okay, so after this what the Bobby does? He shoot the dog away. He ran away the dog. Okay, we will try again, Bobby said. Okay, so after then what Bobby said? He said, we'll try it again. Okay, again I tried this. Okay, to make you fly. Then this time Sundari leaped up in the air. Now this time she was successfully flying up in the air. Okay, she tugged hard. Oh, how she wanted Bobby to let go of her string. String means thread. Okay, she gave a big tug. Bobby had to let her go. Wee, cried Sundari, now I can fly as high as I please. Okay, so here at this time, at the second chance, Sundari was flying up in the air. Okay, up in the sky. She was very happy. Okay, both of them, Bobby and Sundari, both of them were very happy. Okay, they both of them express their feeling happily. Okay, so here the story is completed, which is about Sundari and Bobby. Okay, who was Sundari? Sundari was a kite. Okay, and in the last Sundari was flying high in the sky. Okay, freely. Okay, in the open sky. Okay, so here the story is completed, and this story is adopted from Cleo by Ruth Dixon. Okay, this story is adopted from Cleo by Ruth Dixon. Okay, so here the story is completed. Now the next thing is there are some new words for you. Just like number first is band, B-A-N-D, band. Second, dizzy, D-I-Z-Z-Y, dizzy. Next is smile, S-M-I-L-E, smile. Next, string, S-T-R-I-N-G, string. Next is tuck, T-U-G, tuck. And the last one is wind, W-I-N-D, wind. Okay, so class, these are the difficult word, new words. You have to learn all these spellings. Next thing is, let's read. Here there are some sentences, you have to read them. Just like the first is, I feel dizzy on a merry-go-round. Okay, so here the first sentence is, I feel dizzy on a merry-go-round. Next is, the band was playing a tune. Okay, in the fair there was a band. Okay, and the band was playing a tune, music. Okay, so these are sentences. Read them and also write down in your book. Next thing is, reading is fun. Okay, so here there are some questions we will do in our notebook. Okay, next thing is, do you like to fly kites? So class, tell me, do you like it to fly kites? Yes, now all of you like it. Next thing is, who helps you to fly kites? So here you have to write down that whenever you want to fly the kite, who helps you? Your brother, your sister, your father, your mother. Who helps you to fly kites? Okay. Now next thing is, tick the objects you need to fly a kite. Okay. Color the kite. Here in this question you have to do two things. Firstly, you have to tick that object that you need to fly a kite. Okay, whenever you want to fly a kite, from all these objects, which one is you need it? Just like roller, okay, this roller you need it, this glue, okay, and also scissors. Okay, yes or no? Roller, glue and scissors, you have to use it. Okay, and here the second thing is, here you can see there is a kite. Okay, you have to use color and make a beautiful pretty kite. Okay, you have to color this kite. So clear? how to do this question. And here I stop this chapter. The next exercises we will do in our next class. So it's enough for the day. Hope you all understood very well about the story. So thank you, class.